ma'am. Good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name, ma'am?
I'm Maria Tingan,
How old are you?
39 years old.
Where do you live, ma'am?
Ikaw, Suwagan, Balingwan, Misamis Oriental.
And can you tell me your marital status? Are you married, ma'am, or single?
A single mother, ma'am.
Okay, so since you are a single mother, do you have children, right?
Yes.
So how old is your children, ma'am?
Only one, ma'am.
Okay, so you have one children. And how old is your child, ma'am?
Mm, 18 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
9 siblings, ma'am.
And what is your order in the family?
Breadwinner.
Okay, so you are the eldest also, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so can you tell me your duties? Can you tell me about your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, so you're a high school graduate.
Yes.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country, ma'am?
Kuwait.
Kuwait. From your first employer in Kuwait, is it a finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your duties and responsibilities there, ma'am? In Kuwait. So what do you do?
Cleaning, washing, ironing, and babysitting.
Okay, so
Washing this.
okay, so see in your previous or in your first employer in Kuwait, it's a finished contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in your second employer in Kuwait also, you did not finish your contract. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the reason, ma'am, why you're not able to finish your contract in your second employer in Kuwait?
Because, ma'am, a lack of food and overwork.
Okay, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities there? What do you do in your previous employer in the unfinished contract?
Cleaning, washing, ironing, and washing dish.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am honest, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No have, ma'am.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery? Have you undergone an operation?
No have.
Okay, so why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Because I help for my family, my mother and father, and my daughter go to school.
So you need financial support for your children or your
Yes,
child.
ma'am.
So are you scared of dogs and cats?
The cat, no.
How about dogs, ma'am?
Scared.
Okay, so you're scared of dogs, especially big dogs, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
My message for future employer, I promise do, I want do to my work good, and I love the children them, then I promise I do my best,
All right.
then thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you, ma'am.